If you're a cyclist, you know how important it is to keep your tires perfectly inflated, whether you're on a mountain trail, a city commute, or a long road trip. In today's video, we're counting down the top 5 best mini bicycle air pumps, compact, powerful, and designed to keep you rolling without hassle. So let's dive right in. At number 5, we have the Xoss Air Cube Mini Bicycle Air Pump. The Xoss Air Cube Mini Bicycle Air Pump redefines portable inflation with its combination of compact size and full-featured performance. Designed as an all-in-one solution, this pump comes with a complete kit, including Schrader and Presta valves along with a ball needle, making it compatible with road bikes, mountain bikes, motorcycles, and even sports balls like basketballs. Its versatility ensures that riders and athletes have a ready-to-use inflation tool wherever they go. Weighing only 129 grams, the Xoss Air Cube Mini is remarkably lightweight, yet it does not compromise on power. Its ultra-compact design allows it to fit seamlessly into jersey pockets or saddlebags, minimizing extra weight during rides. The pump's brushless motor delivers efficient and rapid inflation, outperforming traditional brushed motors in both airflow and longevity. A standout feature is the preset pressure functionality, which automatically stops inflating once the desired air pressure is reached. This smart design prevents overinflation, ensuring tires remain protected and optimally pressurized. The pump operates with a one-button start, allowing users to set and forget while the device does the work. For those who ride or inflate in low-light conditions, the Xoss Air Cube Mini includes a built-in LED, offering night vision mode for safe and convenient nighttime use. The smart digital all-in-one display provides real-time monitoring of PSI, battery level, units, and errors, while a one-touch BAR/PSI unit switch simplifies adjustments. Compact yet powerful, the X Air Cube Mini Bicycle Air Pump delivers reliable, precise, and portable inflation, making it an essential companion for cycling enthusiasts, motorcyclists, and athletes seeking convenience and efficiency in one handheld device. Next up, at number 4, we have the Topump TB2 Pro Mini Bicycle Air Pump. The Topump TB2 Pro Mini Bicycle Air Pump is designed with intelligent features to make inflating tires effortless and precise. One of its standout capabilities is the memory function, which remembers the air pressure setting from the last use. This allows cyclists to quickly set their desired pressure without reconfiguring the device each time, ensuring convenience and efficiency during repeated rides. Upon startup, the pump immediately displays real-time air pressure measurements, giving users accurate feedback as they inflate their tires. Once the target pressure is reached, the pump maintains remarkable stability, with fluctuations not exceeding 1 psi even if the device remains powered on. This feature provides peace of mind for riders who demand precise tire inflation for optimal performance and safety. The TB2 Pro also incorporates thoughtful operational safeguards. While it can be powered on during charging, the air pump motor does not start, preventing accidental operation and ensuring safe charging. Additionally, the pump includes an automatic shutdown feature that activates after 1 minute of inactivity in a non-inflated state, conserving battery life and preventing unnecessary wear. Compact and intuitive, the Topump TB2 Pro Mini Bicycle Air Pump combines smart technology with practical functionality, making it an essential companion for cyclists seeking accuracy, reliability, and ease of use. Its memory function, real-time pressure monitoring, and intelligent safety features highlight a design focused on convenience and performance. This advanced mini pump demonstrates how modern cycling accessories can simplify routine maintenance while providing precise control, ensuring that riders are always ready for the road or trail. Taking the third spot is the Bscobber Mini Bicycle Air Pump. The Bscobber Mini Bicycle Air Pump is a compact, rechargeable solution designed for cyclists seeking convenience and precision. Its ultra-lightweight design allows it to easily fit into clothing pockets, making it exceptionally portable for rides of any length. With Type-C charging, the pump eliminates the need for battery replacements, ensuring a sustainable and efficient use over time. This mini pump is capable of fully inflating 2 to 3 tires on a single charge, supporting both Presta and Schrader valves. Switching between valve types is quick and seamless, allowing riders to adapt effortlessly to different bicycles or tire types. The patented integrated air nozzle is designed for safety, preventing scalding and making it suitable for most TPU tires. Equipped with a large display screen, the pump provides accurate, real-time tire pressure readings, helping riders maintain optimal inflation. Its preset tire pressure function enables automatic inflation to the desired level, while the plug-in hands-free mode allows the pump to support itself during operation, freeing up your hands for other tasks. Whether commuting, mountain biking, or going on long-distance rides, the Bscobber Mini Bicycle Air Pump offers a balance of portability, functionality, and precision. Its thoughtful design ensures that tire maintenance is simpler and more efficient, combining advanced features in a small, convenient package that riders can carry wherever they go. This mini pump represents a modern approach to cycling accessories, merging practicality with technology to meet the needs of both casual riders and cycling enthusiasts alike. Coming in at number 2 is the X-Tiger Mini Bicycle Air Pump. The X-Tiger Mini Bicycle Air Pump redefines convenience and efficiency for cyclists. Engineered with a high-performance motor, this mini electric pump delivers a powerful driving force that allows for rapid tire inflation, turning a once time-consuming task into a matter of minutes. Riders can now spend less time waiting and more time on the road, fully enjoying their cycling experience. Equipped with an intelligent automatic start-stop system, the pump takes the guesswork out of inflating tires. Simply set the desired pressure, and the pump begins its work automatically, halting precisely when the preset level is reached. This feature not only streamlines the inflation process, but also safeguards against overinflation, contributing to tire longevity and ensuring safer rides. Portability and compactness are at the core of the X-Tiger design. Its lightweight and sleek build make it easy to carry on long bike tours or store conveniently in bike compartments without adding extra bulk. This thoughtful design ensures that cyclists are always prepared for unexpected tire issues without compromising on travel comfort. Driven by a 120 psi high-power motor, the pump can achieve pressures up to 120 psi, making it suitable for a wide range of bicycle tires. This combination of high-pressure capability and fast operation ensures that riders can maintain optimal tire performance, whether navigating city streets, rugged trails, or long-distance routes. With the X-Tiger Mini Bicycle Air Pump, efficient inflation, portability, and intelligent functionality come together to enhance every cycling adventure. Its innovative design and reliable performance make it an indispensable tool for cyclists who value both convenience and precision. And finally, our top pick, the Rockbros Mini Bicycle Air Pump. The Rockbros Mini Bicycle Air Pump redefines convenience and efficiency for cycling enthusiasts. Designed as the RZH-4X 4th generation mini inflator, this compact yet powerful device can fill up to 7 road bike tires on a single charge, making it an ideal companion for long rides or unexpected tire replacements. Its small, portable body ensures it fits easily into cycling bags without adding bulk, allowing riders to carry it effortlessly wherever they go. Equipped with a digital high-pressure display, the mini inflator provides clear and precise readings, giving cyclists real-time insight into tire pressure. An advanced feature of automatic altitude correction ensures accuracy even on routes with significant elevation changes, adjusting for atmospheric pressure differences automatically. This is especially useful on diverse terrains, where variations in height could affect pressure readings by as much as 9.427 psi. User convenience is at the forefront of the design. The mini inflator allows for preset pressure settings, and the internal sensor stops inflation automatically once the target is reached. This hands-free operation frees riders from monitoring the process and prevents overinflation. Compared to traditional pumps and cylinders, the Rockbros Mini Inflator offers a faster, more intuitive, and more efficient solution for maintaining optimal tire pressure. Its rapid inflation capability, combined with precision technology, ensures that cyclists can focus on the ride rather than worrying about tire maintenance. With the Rockbros Mini Bicycle Air Pump, portability meets power, precision, and ease, making it a must-have accessory for anyone seeking a reliable and stress-free cycling experience.